Hello everyone, Adam here with Danfoss, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about our spare part kits that we offer for our SVL product line. Now, not only do these kits work for our current offerings of our line components, but they also work for some of our older line components as well. So with that being said, we offer an inspection kit that offers all of the seals for a given type valve, which could be the SVA-S, the REG-SA or SB, the CHV-X, the SCA-X, or the FIA strainer filter. Next in line, we have the repair kit. The repair kit basically builds upon the inspection kit, utilizing all the same sealing surfaces, but now for the valves with the spindles, such as our stop valve and our reg valves, it includes the packing gland. And then the most comprehensive out of the spare part kits would be the overhaul kit. These are going to be more product specific due to them having a tailored cone for the given type of line component that you have. It will also include the ball bearings and then the other kit parts that were in the previous kits. And then lastly, we offer complete bonnets for your valves up to size 5-inch, where you just don't have the time or you're not really sure what's going on with the valve and you think a bonnet replacement would be your best option. We do offer those. And these are the spare part kits that we offer for the SVL product line. For more information about this topic, please see our description below. And for more great videos like this, please visit our YouTube channel, Danfoss Cool US. Thanks for watching.